Hello guys, Jim here again from I Am with Jim. Welcome to this new video on Cryptohopper. Today we're going to be talking about results. What kind of results can you expect with compounding profits? Alright, and as you can see here, I've got a bot and it is now after 24 hours it is 0.5%, 0.55% in profit. In fact, a minute ago it was 0.57, so it's dropped a little bit, but you can get 1%, 2%, 3% a day sometimes. However, for this I just thought, right, well, what would happen if we only got 0.5% per day compounded? So compounding is obviously when you buy here, sell here, it comes down a bit, you buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, lots of buys and sells on the way up in an uptrend like that. Alright, and obviously it doesn't always go up, it comes down as well. However, here is the website called compounddaily.org, and I've put $1,000 into my bot there, and I put 0.57% there because that's what it was at a moment ago. Alright, and I put in length of time, 365 days, and we're going to reinvest all of our profits and just keep on trading for 365 days, and we're going to include weekends, alright, because it's bot trading. The bot is not a human, it doesn't get tired, it just goes for it, right? 24 hours a day. So let's see what our results would be at 0.57, which is an easy number to attain actually. Click on there and it calculates it down there, look. Alright, so we started with 1,000 and in 365 days we grew to $7,961 just by making a measly 0.5% a day. Alright, so there's the numbers, guys. So on day one, you know, you might, there you go, that's approximately what I've got there in this paper trading bot now. 1,005. Yeah, that's 24 hours, running 24 hours. So 1,005, and that to me 0.5% is a bad day. You know what I mean? 0% sometimes happens as well. I take an average of what can be earned. Like you might get 0% today, 0% tomorrow, and then tomorrow you'll get, the day after tomorrow you'll get 4%. It happens, all right, and then you'll get a 0%, then you get a 1% and a 2%. It fluctuates, all right. So as you can see, after 1 week, if I was to get 0.5% per day for a week, how much would I have grown? That would be $40. All right, so there's the calculation. So it's taking what we traded yesterday and adding 0.5% on each day, starting from 1,000. And as you can see, the number grows bigger and bigger every day. The profit grows every day because it's taking 0.5% of your total. All right. So this result here, this $8.06, is a result of trading this after 24 hours. All right. And the cool thing is, even though this is only trading 20 positions, it's only using $200 of our total capital. It's not using the full 1,000. All right, but we're still calculating 0.5% on top of $1,000. All right, so we're using $200 to make 0.5% of $1,000. Does that make sense? All right, and that's the idea, to try and get a nice steady profit coming in over time that compounds daily. We're 270 days in and we're up to $4,639, look. Alright, so what is, you know, the profits have gone up daily now. 26, 26, 26, 28, 30. Let's get to 365 days. There you go, we're up to $45 a day. Alright, now imagine we're in a good bull run and you're averaging 1% a day, which is very doable, is what I do on my secret sauce strategy. Alright, sometimes I get 1%, sometimes I get 3%, 4%. I've even had 5%ers, not often, but it happens. And sometimes I get 0%, of course. I don't get 1% exactly every day. It's not going to happen like that. I'm averaging this, alright? So I'm putting in 1%, alright? And let's see what the difference will be. Let's have a look. We've got 7,900 by getting 0.57%, alright? So let's have a look. Alright, so I've turned $1,000 into 37,783 using my secret sauce settings. And as you can see, on day one we've got $1,000, and on day two we've got $10 profit. So now we're trading with $1,010, actually only about 200 and something dollars, because it's not using the full 1,000. It's using around $200 to generate 1% of $1,000 to generate $10. All right. So let's have a look at 1 month in. All right. So now after a month, we're on $13.35 profit on that day there, and we've taken our $1,000 up to 1,347. Can you see how much more quickly it's making profits because of the 1% and the compounding, reinvesting? All right, now let's go down to 3 months, which is 90 days. All right, we've taken $1,000 after 3 months, and we've gone to 2,448. Let's have a look at 6 months. Well, and we've taken it up to around $24 profit per day now, and it's steadily growing. 6 months, how many days is that? Call it 180. There we go. Alright, now we're making like $59, nearly $60 a day, and we're up to $5,995. So can you see the power of compounding, guys? It's enormous, and all you need to do that is make 1% a day. Now, I can't promise you will make 1% every day, because the markets do go down as well. Sometimes you make 0%, and like I said, sometimes you make 2, 3, 4, 5%, which, if you take an average, it's 1% a day. It's actually slightly more than 1% a day. It's about 1.05% a day for me, average. Now, some days, nothing. We get no profits, and we've got things in the red. But it recovers, and you start making 2, 3%. It makes up for the days where you made 0%. Does that make sense? All right. So if I just put 1.05% in there, which is what I've noticed is a common average for me. Alright, so that takes us up to 45,000 just by adding that 0.05. So what's the difference there? 45.2. Wow, massive difference. Massive difference. It's added another $7,500 to our profits just by that extra 0.5%. Wow. Alright, so that is the power of compounding, guys, and that is why you should get the secret sauce from Jim and set up your bot just like he tells you in the secret sauce. You should also get help from Jim in Skype and Telegram, and you should use coupon code Jim Cryptohopper, like that in all caps, to get a discount on your first plan. Alright, So you get access to my secret source settings, the ones that give me an average of 1%, just over 1% per day, and access to Skype, so I can help you out on Skype, and Telegram, which I've just started and I'm building out. So there's nobody in there yet, but maybe you'll be the first one, you know. So people are going to be fellow Cryptohopper users that sign up through my link are going to be in this Telegram group together. Imagine a couple of hundred of us in there helping each other out, tweaking the strategy, making it better, sharing what works, sharing what doesn't work, learning from each other like a little community. And it's completely free, guys, to people who sign up through my link. I don't know what you're waiting for, because you're missing out. Bitcoin is in a new bull run, and it's only upwards from here. Maybe there'll be a bit of a tank before the halving. There usually is. But after the halving, the Bitcoin halving, we're going to skyrocket. And the altcoins are going to do a lot better than Bitcoin. So I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. So any of my Cryptohopper videos, click the link below. Alright, guys. And where is it? There's the link. Click that link. It takes you to this page here. Alright, watch this short video. It tells you how to contact me on Skype. Otherwise, if you don't watch this video, you're not going to know how to contact me to get your secret source. The link for Cryptohopper is down there. Alright, use that. When you click it, watch the URL. Make sure it says, briefly, 15412. Watch this. It will disappear after about 1 second. The 15412. Perfectly normal. Watch this. Are you watching? There. It disappears. That's normal. Don't worry about that if that happens. You're still under my link. Alright? So, click that link. Get Cryptohopper. Add in the coupon code Jim Cryptohopper. All caps. Alright? Get a discount on your first plan. And I will see you in the secret source, guys. Let's go making some enormous profits on Cryptohopper. Let's help each other out. Let's get better and better at Cryptohopper. You know what I mean? There's still things I need to learn, you know? And maybe one day you'll be showing me how something works. Alright? So if you want to get started with Cryptohopper, get it through my link. You get the secret source, access on Skype, access to the Telegram, and you get a discount on your first plan. Alright? I'll see you again in the next video, guys. Take it easy. Look at that. $37,000 profit from a measly 1% per day. I'm excited for this next bull run. Alright? Oh, by the way, guys, what if you're trading with more than 1,000? Or maybe you're trading with 5,000. Oop. Oh my God, 226,000. Is that possible? I think it is. You know, with an average of 1%. What if you're doing 500? That can't be right, can it? 22,000 from $500. It seems it is. See the numbers growing there? Go to this website if you don't believe me, guys. Do some maths yourself and get excited. What you waiting for? Link below the video. I'll see you again in the next video, and great talking to you today. Bye bye now.